Hi everyone, today we're going to show this nice exercise. I love this exercise. It's called yin and yang, or it's called
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh. Pharaoh. Why, you remember how the Pharaoh's sitting? They're sitting tall. They sit on that kind of cushion. We're going to use this ottoman, and usually, it's kind of like maybe 30 inches. Make sure your knee is not too low or knee is not too high. And usually we start this exercise when your knee on the ottoman and your back is on the floor. So, but this time I'm just going to show you right away at the floor. So you against the wall, so you understand when you flip down, you're going to do that. And look, David already take this position, so he pulled that knee all the way towards that ottoman. Try to get that back too straight, so more towards the against the wall. Here we go. Yeah, this one is maybe a little bit high for David, but that's okay. So what he's doing here now, he push that spine against that wall. So try to kind of squeeze yourself and smash against that wall. And I'm just checking it's no space between his back, lower back, mid back. Now attach your head and look at that. So it's more like a correction exercise you can do on your own. I'll show you how. But if you're physical, like a therapist, manual therapist, massage therapist, this is the great exercise to show to your clients. Or if you have a client, just look this exercise. And look, I want to, David is pushing, try to relax your arm like a pharaoh. So you're the pharaoh. So push that shoulders against the wall. So you try to squeeze and push more. You see now his head actually correct on his own.
Because lower back is not on.
Lower back, exactly.
That's
what I want to see, because he try to cheat on me now. That's what I'm going. So yes, I don't want that. So I want you to push that back first. Again, you see, this is that's fine. If he can do it, watch me do to help him out. I need the long band. We have a brick. We have a ball. Like I said, this exercise, I'm going to run this band all the way down on his lower back. No, let me get there. Okay, here we go. Get in front of me. So you see a band. What I'm doing here, I start pull him this way and ask him to resist me. So push against. Yes. So what he's doing now, he's activated all those muscles, and I pull him. It depends on person. You can grab all different bands. Then you got the idea. Try to not. Yeah, try to push it more. Yeah, keep it more lower back. So what he's doing here, we can also tap. Tapping is good. Exactly. You see? You feel that activation? You see how he's braced everything core? I let it go. Now, I want you to place your arms against the wall.
Oh, yeah. This is hard.
No, this is the hot. Exactly. So you see he's break that code again. You can return the band. You can place the ball. Can you move forward a little bit? So I place the ball and I ask him to squeeze that ball. So you activate this muscle. Squeeze, push it, everything. Exactly. So that's kind of tool you use. I'll show you more. You can also, you see this ankle? Not the ankle, the wrist is kind of in the air. I will fix that in a minute. Keep your head, try to push, smash. You can use other band, you can use, let this band inside. I hold this wrist and push. So you see, I'm lightly, and he's trying to push. Don't worry, here we go, slide off. If you're not gonna do it, here we go. He tried to fight. He tried to push this arm. You see, he tried to compensate. The whole body is gonna start getting crooked. I want you to start breathe. The error is no breath. There we go. Here we go. You see, he's breathing. I want you to breathe. Push that ball. Push. So that's kind of stuff. You just understand what I'm trying to do here.
Good.
Next one, I remove that ball. Push again. Try to get that butt more. Here we go. Scoop more. Here we go. Yeah, this one is a little bit in the air. That's okay. Try to place it. Here we go. You see, his spine is automatically get that way. So it's okay. Now this arm, we're gonna place that ball. You're gonna smash. Try to push that arm against that floor, against that wall. This is the second level. On the floor is going to be easy because the gravity is going to help you out and push. The spine is going to feel more comfort. But yeah, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. So this is we correcting our spine in the sitting position, our neck, our lower back, and our shoulders. And this is what you do here. So yeah, smash. You see, you help him out. You help him out. Now try to release the ball and see. It's already like less space.
Yeah.
It's a less space. Next and final one.
Wow.
No. Okay, rest a little bit.
Yeah.
Push it again. I want to come up here and push on his rib cage. And he's breathing now. I want you to breathe against me. There we go. And you push on that rib cage. 3 pounds. Don't push too hard. I want him to feel his own breath activated.
It feels good.
This is great for all kind of therapists. Push, squeeze. Exactly. Try to push him against the floor. Against the wall. Push on his belly. Ask him to push forward too. You see? It's not coming this way. It's weakness up there. So we activate that abdominal area. It's going to correct that lower back. Why? Because this overstretch in the front and tight in the back. And he not capable to do that. So the wall angel, all this yin and yang, because like I said, like a card. So remember, if you flip king, flip another way. So same thing. Now we're going to flip him down and he's going to be on the floor right here. His arm on the floor. No, we don't need to do that. I'm just giving an idea. Next one, we want to correct that hip. So push against yourself. Next one, I'm going to place that brick onto his 1 foot. Just 1 foot. Step on it. There we go. Just like that. And what he's doing here, he pushed that foot against the floor. This one, try to push too. So if he's hip unbalanced, he will feel that little click maybe. If you experience pain, that's mean this side is already raised up. We need to switch. Remember the pain, it's mean something is not functioning up there or you're pushing wrong way. So push, how's it feel? Try to get this arm again on the floor. Push, push. You can do this, tap him on the hip. Great. Now I want you to start raise this knee up and down, just like that. Push, and push through the floor. Keep pushing through the floor. Next one, great. There we go. And next one, we're going to switch and put the ball. You're going to step on the ball. I want you to step on that ball. Squeeze. You see what he's doing? He's squeezing. He's activating all the hips. You see what happened here? I try to correct him, not let him shift. Always pay attention. Right. And he squeezed. Look at that. Exactly, the compensation. Because his body want to complete the task, and he started doing everything as possible to complete the task. But the main area we try to focus on the hip, it's not working. So, but that's, you see, he start rounding here again, he push against the floor, he's come up, he start breathing, push, and relax, let it go. Let it go, switch foot. You can also use the band. Yes, you can use the band. You can place the band on his heel, I'll show it to you in a minute. So push. This one is stronger or weaker? You can always ask. Weaker. So this motion, this hip is weaker. You feel that. Push. And like I said, you can put the towel between the lower back, and he's going to do this for 10, 15 days. He will start correcting himself. And you will correct yourself if you do this to yourself. Let's switch. Again, smash. Try to push. There we go. And against the floor. So it's a double force. Yes. Wow. Against the wall and against the floor. So get that hip. There we go. You see how his belly started moving? Because he's trying to use that. I'll lock it in. Look at that. He starts shaking it. This is something is draining him. So think about it. If he start doing some force, running or squatting, and this is weak, it start draining your energy. That's why people feel like the pain, the weakness, because the muscle is not active, something going on. When you activate everything work like a watch, like a Sweden watch, Switzerland watch, right? That's the most expensive one. And let it go. That's how the body, the same. That's why we train the chain. We're not training the muscle anymore.
It feels amazing.
Good. You can squeeze that, push against that. You see he's squeezing. Now he's activating other muscle. I want to see this. Yes, the ball is squeezing. Perfect. Stuff like that. I want to do all kind of stuff.
Oh.
I want to grab that. Like I said, I show you the band. You can do different way. Keep squeezing. Hold on. Let me get this band first. So what I'm doing here, I'm get that band around his ankle, and he starts squeezing that ball. And what I'm doing, no, you try to squeeze, and I'm pull you on the side, your foot. Try to relax, like a squeeze, and relax that foot. Relax, let it go, let it go, the lower portion. You see, it's hard for him. So I want to pull it out.
Wow.
Let it go. Let me pull. Here we go. You see, he don't want to do that. His brain is like, no, exactly, just like that, perfect. Now pull towards the midline. Towards the midline, foot towards the midline, just like that. Yeah.
Oh my God.
You see, we're working on that external, internal rotation of the hip.
This is good.
If this is too much, for him, use one strap. Come on, let me do one strap. Here we go. I think it's going to be better. Here we go.
It feels good.
Pull in and let it go. Squeeze the ball all the time. You see what he's doing? He do this a lot of action. He's squeezing, he try to pull, and he try to push against the wall. Look at that neck correction. Yes, you can turn.
It's very good.
You can start turning your neck. Yes, left and right. You can also see. Try to go finish it. You see. Look at that. Try to turn more. So here we go. Look at that. It's not working. That when he turned to the left, he's almost not turning. Your head is just a side bending, and let it go. Now you ask your client to walk a little bit. Give him a break and walk. And you do this one more time. See how you feel.
It feels very different. Light. Very light.
Yes, exactly. So people feel light.
Very easy. Very much easier.
That's how people supposed to move. Light, not heavy.
It was much heavier before, but now the back feels lighter, and the legs and the hips as a unit, and my core, it all loosened up very quick. I didn't know this exercise.
So we're gonna post it more and more on our channel. The idea is do and experience that, because when you experience that, you will understand how to balance yourself, how to correct yourself. Remember, we're constantly sitting, and most of the time we start slouching to the side, and we don't control our sitting, and it's creates so many problems in our spine, especially that anterior tilt. And that's exercise. This is the number one. You don't need to like searching for other ones. This can correct a lot of issues in your body. Thanks for watching. We guys see you next time.